Welcome to the jail of the 21st century.
It's a living lab with inmates.
Located just 35 miles from Silicon Valley, Santa Rita Jail is home to some of the world's most advanced energy technologies. Oh, and there are robots, 25 of them doing the job of 50 inmates.
We're still the only jail that has these robots, and they're 25-year-old robots taking the laundry and the food to each of the housing units and back again.
You have to have manpower doing those jobs if it weren't for the robots.
Yeah, we would have to have inmates taking these carts and moving the carts, and when we have inmates moving carts, then you have to have deputies watching the inmates move the carts.
So then it's also a safety issue as well.
It is a safety issue.
Behind bars, intelligence can mean the difference between life and death.
This is one of the safest facilities around. Just knowing that we have that backup system, I think, makes our job so much easier.
When a blackout occurs, it used to take 30 seconds for the facility to power back up. An eternity when you're talking about convicted criminals. Now, as a result of the new smart grid, it takes just 4 seconds.
If we lose power, we are self-sufficient, and our green power will kick in for us. So it would keep everything on lockdown.
It's the 5th biggest jail in the country, requiring 2.4 megawatts of energy in order to keep 3,000 inmates securely locked up. The county lockup has become a breeding ground for energy innovation. The $11.7 million smart grid has reduced their energy bill by $2.5 million a year.
Well, there are no other smart grids like this one. This is what's called a search-compatible smart grid. It's a protocol that allows you to use all of the generation and use them seamlessly so that they run the jail 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
What would you say to the taxpayer out there who's suspicious of what you guys are doing here?
We have had people say, why in a jail? We're putting money not because of the inmates, it's just because it's a high-cost facility to keep running. It's kind of a little real-world laboratory that we're showing, yes, these technologies do work.